Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide. So first of all, you have to insert this half circle right here, which is a sphere. And you're going to put it right here like this, change its color, remove its outline, and then rotate it like this. Now insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide and send it to the back. Change the color of this circle, semicircle. Next, you're gonna change the background's color as well. Put this semicircle right here. And you're gonna change the color of the rectangle as well. Insert a text box in which you're gonna write your first point, and let's change its color, rotate it like this and put it right here and increase its size and use a dark font and a bold font for it. Let's just put it right here like this, group it and go to icons tab, and from here choose a suitable icon for that matches your text the best. I'll choose this icon. Let's decrease its size and rotate it as well and put it right on top of this text, and let's change its color. Select the rectangle and the text and the sphere and group it, and then duplicate the slide, and you're gonna change the color of the sphere and insert another text box for the other text, and then you have to customize the icon and both the text. So we'll use a different icon and a different text box and a different sphere color. Similarly, we're going to duplicate it again, and we're going to just repeat the process about 6 times. That we make 6 of these shapes with different colors, different icons, different text box, different headers, and different sphere colors. But the background rectangle color also remain the same. So we're just gonna go to the insert tab, and from here let's insert this icon of a clock, duplicate the slide as well, and change the color of this sphere. By the way, let me tell you this thing, that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and you can use it for your own personal use but no commercial purposes. It is not I'm not allowing this to use this template for commercial purposes. By the way, you can use this for your own personal purposes if you want, for your school, for your other college projects, and that's all you can use this for. Next, we're gonna do the same for the next slide. Now copy the rectangles, cut them from each of the slide and then put them onto the first slide by pasting them by pressing Ctrl plus V, the shortcut key for pasting anything. So when you're just removing these rectangles, also remove the slides as well, so that we don't have any wasted slides. Now you have to hold shift, select them, and then move them on to the extreme right side of the slide, that only these spheres are visible into the slide. Now insert a header and a text box which is going to be used as the header. Insert your text or any other things that you want to use in this template and that describes what this template is about. Use a nice color for it. Here you go. So let's group it out and let's put it in the middle. Duplicate the slide and then move this rectangle while holding First of all, go to the previous slide and send this text box to the back. Now, what you can do is duplicate the slide and move this first rectangle right here like this while holding shift. So here you go. Give all the rectangle shadow as well. And here you go. Next, we're gonna insert our contents. Let's just decrease its size. And for the text box as well, we're gonna decrease its size. That's it. Now duplicate the slide as well, and you have to select all of the rectangles and then send them to the front. Here you go. Now duplicate the slide again, and while holding shift, move this second rectangle on top of the first rectangle. Next, insert your contents that you want to add in this template. Similarly, what you're gonna do in the entire to make the entire template is just repeat the process and keep on duplicating the slide, uh, and in each slide you have to send each of the rectangles to the front, and then you're gonna move one of them onto the left side, and then you're gonna give it some contents like charts or about us content or like timelines. And as you can see, you can make these everything by yourself. And for your assistance, I'll give the link to this free template in the description so that you can use them for free without doing any work. And that's it. By the way, if you like our video and content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.